The HYTE Y60 case does cost $200. So what do you get with that? You're actually getting a lot of value. So you're getting a PCIe 4.0 riser cable, and probably one of the best ones I've ever seen, to be honest. This is not cheap. Riser cables like this one cost $95. So keep that in mind out of the $200 price point here. You're also getting 3 fans. There's 2 in the bottom right here, and then 1 in the rear, as you can tell. And then you're also getting the feature of having a vertical mounted GPU. So that sometimes costs more for a lot of cases as well. So you add all that, plus you're actually getting the case too, 200 bucks. That's value right there.